This video will help you get the most out of your new Cel-Fi Smart Signal Booster. Increase your wireless coverage throughout your home or office, limit dropped calls, and improve your wireless data performance. Inside the box you will find an installation guide, the window unit, the coverage unit, 2 interchangeable power adapters, and 2 wall mount brackets. Start with the window unit. Signal from your network tower reaches your home. The window unit collects that signal and passes it on to the coverage unit, where it's amplified throughout your house. For this to work, you must have at least 1 bar of 3G or 4G service somewhere inside your home. But more bars is always better. Use your mobile phone to find the place with the highest bars in your home. This will typically be by a window, upstairs if possible. Make sure you see the 3G or 4G icon on the handset. If you don't see the icon, you may not live in a 3G or 4G coverage area, or your phone might not be a 3G or 4G handset that would benefit from the signal booster. Place the window unit in the area where you found the most 3G or 4G bars available. Plug either one of the power adapters into the window unit and into a convenient power outlet. Make sure the window unit is upright and the display is facing towards the inside of the room. It will take the window unit a few minutes to complete the wake-up sequence. Now let's set up the coverage unit. The farther apart you put the 2 units, the better the system will work. It may seem strange, but as you move the window unit and coverage unit apart, the area of improved coverage becomes increasingly large. The larger the home, the farther apart the 2 units should be. Of course, it is possible to put the 2 units too far apart. The coverage unit can't communicate with the window unit if this happens. You'll need to try several locations to find the best one. Place the coverage unit in the area of your home where you need coverage and plug it in. Wait for the digits of the numeric display to stop scrolling. This could take several minutes. Once the coverage unit has established communication with the window unit, you should see a green icon like the one shown here. If a 0 appears on the numeric display as shown here, the units are too close together. You need to move the coverage unit farther away from the window unit. If you see a red icon like this one instead of the green one, the units are too far away from each other. You need to move the coverage unit closer to the window unit. The number on the coverage unit indicates the size of the coverage area. You should try to get an 8 or 9 on the display. If the number is smaller than an 8 or 9, try moving the coverage unit to another location to get a higher number. In smaller buildings, this may not be possible. You should now have much better 3G or 4G service on your mobile phone. Try walking around your home and make sure you have better coverage everywhere. If there's an area that does not have good coverage, try moving the coverage unit closer to that area of your home and test again with your mobile phone. You're all done. We hope you enjoy the improved coverage and data performance as a result of your new Cel-Fi Smart Signal Booster.